What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Well, today's video is very different and something that I haven't done before. Today we're gonna see if I can remove some dents from my car. If you follow me on social media, you may be aware that a few weeks back I bought myself an older Fiat 500 and the car looks really good, but on the back there are a couple of dents and a couple of scratches. And I've been looking for solutions to remove those dents, because if I remove the dents then I can fix the scratches. So I came across what's called a dent removal kit, and these are available on Amazon starting at like 25 bucks and going all the way to like 300 bucks. So I bought myself the cheapest dent removal kit available, and today we are gonna find out if this kit actually works and if you can remove dents from vehicles. And if it works, I guess you can buy something like that for yourself if you have any dents on your car. And just before we go outside to try this out, I want to show you what comes in the box. So first of all, we get a user manual and the instructions seem fairly clear. Then we get a glue gun and 9 glue sticks. I'm not sure why there are 9 and not 10, but that's what we get. We also get this little spray bottle. You're supposed to fill this up with rubbing alcohol and water, and that would help remove the glue from the paint whenever you're done with the dents. And there is also a scraping tool for that glue. We'll see which one works best. There is a cleaning cloth in there, and then we get these plastic tabs. So basically you'd put the glue on these would stick to the car, and then you'd pull the dent out with this metallic bridge that comes in the box. But I guess I'll show you how that works outside. And with that being said, let's move the camera outside and let's see if this works out or not. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is basically clean the area where you're going to be working, because you don't want any grease or any wax around there, because you need that glue to stick to the car. So I have some rubbing alcohol here. I'll spray some of this and then I'll wipe this clean. And this way the glue should stick here, but make sure that you wait for the car to dry, of course. And once you're done with that, you want to plug in the glue gun, because this is gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes to warm up. So plug it in and wait for the car to dry. Next, you have to find the tab that's the most appropriate for your dent. So the bigger the dent, the bigger the tab. And for that dent, the first one that we're gonna do, I'm thinking I'll be using this one. It's not that big, but it's not that small, if that makes any sense. So this is the one that we're gonna put glue on, and then we'll stick it to the car. So just to explain this a bit better, once I have glue on this, I will stick this right here, then I will place the bridge over this, and then I will start tightening this, and eventually the dent will come out. Well, it should come out and we should hear a loud sound. And I think my glue gun is warmed up now, so we can probably put glue on that tab. So the glue is nice and warm now, and I'm gonna start putting some here. It's coming out eventually, see? So just make like a circle with it, so something like that. And once this is done, just stick it onto the car there, and you're gonna leave it on for about a minute. Okay, so it's been about a minute now, and I think we're ready to place this and start pulling on that dent. Let's see if it actually works. So I'm gonna start tightening this slowly. Oh, I don't think that that actually worked. We'll probably have to put more glue again. I'll have to remove this, put more glue maybe in the center here, and then try again, because that dent, it's definitely still there. To remove that glue, you basically have a little scraping tool, and yeah, the glue kind of comes out with that. Well, not that great, but better than having the glue there. So I've cleaned this as good as I could, and this time around I'm gonna put a bit more glue. Maybe I didn't have enough glue on it last time, so we'll put a bit more glue than the previous time. So something like that, I would say. And we'll attach to the car once again, but this time around I'll move a bit to the right. So leave it somewhere around here. And again, I'll leave it for about a minute till the glue gets hard enough. I think it's been about a minute now, so we'll try placing this one more time. and I'm gonna start tightening this up again. We'll see if it works better this time. So I'm gonna go slowly. And keep going. And keep going. Yeah, no, the dent is definitely still there. So maybe a bit smaller, but next time I'm gonna place the glue around here and we'll try pulling from there. So for our next try, I decided to use this tab. Maybe this one will work better the way the dent looks. We'll try this one. I'm just waiting for the glue gun to warm up, and we'll put some glue on this and we'll try with this one next. So the glue is warm once again, so I'm gonna do this first and then we'll go in all these little holes here. So hopefully that's enough glue. And I'm gonna attach it to the car once again, maybe a bit more. Yeah, so like that. And we'll attach it here this time. And again, we'll give it about a minute or so. So it's been about a minute or so, and I guess we'll try again and see what happens this time. I know that dent doesn't seem that easy to fix, but I guess all dents will be quite difficult to fix. So let's see what happens this time around. Well, the dent is definitely still there. So I'm gonna have to clean all this up because there is just too much glue there, and we'll try again after I clean that up. And just a quick tip, whenever you're trying to remove that glue, just add some rubbing alcohol and it does seem to come off a bit easier. Otherwise it's a bit difficult to get the glue off. So after about 5 minutes or so I am back, and I'm gonna try this one more time. If this doesn't work, we'll change this tab to a smaller one. Maybe a smaller one would work better. And I'll try to put more glue on this one this time around as well. So a bunch of glue right now. So let's see if this works better this time around. And I think I'm ready to try one more time on this one, see if this one works better. So we have more glue this time, and I let it dry a bit longer this time. So let's see if I manage to pop that dent this time. Come on. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I think that that was a bit better. Well, definitely not perfect, but a bit better. So that top dent is definitely looking better than before, but far from perfect. We'll try again in a bit, but I wanna try this one. This one seems easier to do at least, and I figured this would be a good tab for it. It seems to be the right size. So let's try doing that one, see what happens if we try doing this one. So of course I'm gonna add some glue on this. We'll add glue everywhere. We'll try to do more glue than on the other one, because it has to stick really well to the car. So hopefully this is enough glue right here. Hopefully. So a bit more maybe. And let's place it right in the center. And we'll give it again about a minute or so. Alright, and it's been about a minute or so, and I guess we'll try one more time and see how it works on this one. Let's see, maybe this one, oh yeah, I can see this one coming out much nicer than the other ones. Let's see if we can actually... Well, it's still there, but definitely better than it was. I think if I do it one more time on this one will be much easier to fix. So let me clean this off, and we'll try this one more time. We'll probably place that tap right here. So we're trying this one more time. Better results for this dent over the other one. The other one, the first one, doesn't look like it's gonna be that easy to fix, but with this one, well, I think we're gonna be luckier. So plenty of glue on this one, hopefully it sticks better. And I'll place it a bit lower. So I'm thinking of placing it about here. So I'll give it a couple of minutes to dry and I'll be right back. And while I'm waiting for the other one to dry, I figured I'll try again with the one at the top here. I'll use a smaller tab this time. I want to see if it makes a difference if this is smaller. Maybe I can pull like different sizes. I don't know. I'm just trying more things. So plenty of glue. And I'm gonna place this one right about here. And I'm moving back to this one, the one at the bottom, the one that was drying for a while. Let's see if we can make that dent disappear at least. So I can already see the metal coming to shape, but let's see if it's enough. So let me clean this off and see what we got. Yeah, so I guess it's getting there slowly. Now the dent is smaller, so we'll need something smaller to place somewhere around here so we can see if we can pull this part out. So we are moving back to this one, the one at the top. I placed a smaller tap on this one. See how this works. The other one at the bottom does seem to come out better though. So getting better, but definitely still a lot of work to be done, but definitely getting better compared to how it was when I first started doing this. So I've been doing this for over an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and cleaning that glue takes the longest time. This is gonna be the last one that I'm trying, and after that I'll clean everything and show you how it looks. It is much better than before, but far from perfect, but definitely better than before. So let me do this, and then I'll clean everything up and I'll show you the final results. I mean, I could keep doing this over and over, but I don't think it's gonna get that much better. So I decided to stop because I'm getting a headache trying to clean that glue off the car. So let me clean this off and I'll show you the results. Alright, so after quite a bit of time I can show you the results. As I said earlier, they're not perfect, but definitely much better than they used to be. So this is the one at the top. I guess I could have went more around it, but to be honest, after doing this for like an hour and a half, I am getting tired. And down here is the second one. I'm not sure if you can see that. So you can still see that one, but the one at the top is much better, seems much better than how it used to be. And of course this one is much better than it used to be before, but far from perfection. So if you don't have a lot of patience to do this, I highly recommend that you don't buy this kit and take your car to a professional, because this takes quite a bit of time to do. So next I'm gonna get some touch-up paint and I will attempt to fix that. So hopefully once I fix that, the dent isn't gonna show up as much. So yeah, this is how this dent removal kit from Amazon works. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.